नमस्कार। मैं जयभान शर्मा आज आपके सामने एक छोटी सी मॉरल स्टोरी लेके आ रहा हूँ। एस जैसे बताना चाहूँगा आपको, आई एम अ फादर ऑफ टू किड्स एंड usually you know that the small kids are having the tendency of more talking and the less thinking, मतलब बोलते ज़्यादा हैं और सुनने की क्षमता उन्हें बहुत कम होती है. Similarly, once in a day I asked my daughter to to eat banana, and what you imagine what she asked me. Tell me the one reason, father, why should I eat banana? And I was quite shocked as the question was put it to me. So told my daughter that I will share one story with you, and after listening to that story, if you think that the banana is good for you, then you can have it, otherwise no need to eat. So let me share that story with you. So there was a rishi whose name was Durvasa. Whenever the rishi Durvasa approaches to anybody's place, and the people used to get scared of, and why this fellow has came here, and let him go as early as possible. जल्दी से जल्दी उसे घर से निकालो. We don't want to entertain him. And similarly, we can say that it's very shocking when you are not having, you are not a nice person, or you are not a disciplined person. No one will welcome you at home. So it is very important part. So same way, the similarly suits were. One day, the Durvasa's wife asked him, "Ki look, peoples, and when you approach them, they run away. And whereas I stay with you for such a long period of time, don't you think that it is think that I deserve a very special gift?" After listening to that, what type of special gift? So Durvasa was shocked and quite hurted also, that after listening to his wife that she needed a special gift to buy for staying with her. So Rishi Durvasa quite imagine in his heart that क्या चाहिए होगा उसे, एक हीरा मोती सोना जवाहरात औरतों को और क्या चाहिए होता है. So he said that okay, let ask what special gift you want. So Rishi Durvasa's wife told to Rishi that I need a fruit which was not grown on the heaven, that is Swarglok mein, and I need a fruit which is grown on the earth only. So Rishi Durvasa said that what a simple thing you are asking. So let me give you to you. But Rishi Durvasa's wife has given the 4 condition to the person. The condition number 1 is that the fruit should be used for the worship of the god. Second, that it should flower once in a year and it should not have any seed. And the third, that fruit it should give the fruit once in a year, and as well as we can say that fruit should not be messy type like mango and apple. And the last, that fruit, each part of that fruit, each part of that tree should be used for cooking. And the moreover, without giving that fruit to the god, the puja should be incomplete. So after listening all this condition, the Rishi Durvasa was disturbed and he approaches to the complete earth, and finally he get to know that he moved to the Sapt Rishi, and from there he get to know that she is telling about one of the Kadli Phala की बात कर रही है, and in Sanskrit it is known as the Kadli Phala, but it is actually known as the banana. So by this simple story, she want to convey a very nice message that the banana tree is having lot of qualities. If we are having the lot of qualities, then only we can survive in this current scenario, because single moment is there. Look for the boss and everyone to kick at your back, and you will not survive in this circumstances. Similarly, student has to try to develop the multiple skills so that they can have a success, respect and position in the society. And moreover, the arrogance and ego never works. So we have to think about that. अहंकार और घमंड तो किसी का नहीं चला. So हमें सॉफ्ट पोलाइट होके अपने काम को करना चाहिए. जय हिंद.